the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something, don't take for granted.
Hey, good morning traders, and welcome to the Next Way Trading. My name is Lester. Today let's go to have this short live trading session with this tool was ready for binary options, and I'm gonna explain how you can copy my trades and how you can be part of this social trading. Follow me. So let's roll with this video.
It's mind over everything.
Hey guys, I'm glad to be here. This is my social trading with the broker Pocket Options, and look at this, the top number 20, 50, I don't know, the best traders right now with the social trading, and I am in the number 1 place. So this is my place. This is I belong to be the number 1. This is how we are gonna trade with this tool starting for binary options, and how you can copy my trades with this broker Pocket Option. So eventually I share with you a few trades, and I tell you can need to register using the link below in this video and deposit, make your deposit, and you can generate money with me. And the end of the month, the last month, I ended with profits, I don't know, with $1,000, I think so, or $800. It's a bad month for me, so it's a bad month for me. But right now I just start this month with $3,000 with $2,300, and right now we go into $5,000 on profits with this is a broker and with my social trading. But how you can copy my trades? What is the process we need to follow to copy my trades? Well, I'm gonna leave it a few links below in this video. Okay, a few links below in this video if you want to be part of my social trading and how you can be part of this. You can you're gonna receive a lot of information how you can copy my trades. The first thing is not gonna be free. Sorry, I'm so sorry. It's not gonna be free. We are gonna have a process to copy my trades, but trust me, you're gonna earn money end in the month. It depends how much money you're gonna invest. This is the offer that I can have to you. And with Discord, I can have a live trading session, because Discord have that option. We can using that platform to show you my live trades. For example, in this moment I trading, just open the interface of Discord and we trade together with that platform. So right now just take one trade. In one trade, I trading with $1,000 and I earn $820. So this is the process that I want to show you how we can earn money with binary options and how you can be part of this community. And why I'm doing this, because I understand many of you, someone writing me and says, I don't have time to follow his signals. And I answer that, guys, well, you can leave this group and doing something else. If you don't have time to analyze the market, don't follow the signals, please doing something else, and maybe you can get better results for you. But this is something that I can offer to you, offering to all of you, how to follow my signals and how we are generate profits together with this strategy, with my strategies. And the best thing is you need to relax, and I'm gonna doing the hard work for you. So this is the way we are gonna use it, and I'm gonna using 2 platforms, Telegram and Discord. You can find the links below in this video, both links, and you can join us with the platform do you prefer. Maybe you don't have Discord but you're using Telegram, okay, using to my Telegram channel, Social Trading Club. It's not mine, actually. Many traders we are gonna trade in that platform and offer this type of service, I think. So I believe and I consider it we can have a great profits if you're trading with the social trading club, and you only need to follow my trades. You can generate a good profits if you are beginner. But just like I mentioned before, it's not gonna be free. It's gonna have a cost. Yes, you need to pay something to be part of this social trading club. This is my real account. This is my second trade that I've taken right now. So we have to stay in the money. And today we are gonna end in, if it still have profits with this trade. Let's go to check it out how ending. So volatile. Come on, it's going up. Yes, today we ended the day with 1,600 on profits with me in just 10 minutes. Okay, just 10 minutes. This is my offer to you. So you want to be part of this? Using the links below in this video, copy my trades, and I'm gonna share with you how you can be part of this. Obviously, this payout is going to be monthly to be part of my social trading club. Okay, monthly is going to be the payout you need to do it to us, or for me in this case, to be part of this social trading club. So I'm gonna stop right now. I think we have a great profits today. I'm gonna stop it and see what happened later. This is my ending results right now with this social trading. I'm gonna share with you the links below in this video. Different amounts. If you deposit, I don't know, $100 in your balance, the payout, I don't know, it's gonna be $25, $50 by Bitcoin or by cryptocurrencies. And it's just an example, okay? But if you deposit $1,000, you want to generate a lot of money and create your balance, you need to deposit a bigger amount to us. I don't want to request the 50% because that is stupid. The idea is help to you, but I need to recover this time and this process that I've been learning together. And you can join me with my Discord account in live sessions on private. Obviously, what's going to be just to the people pay out for that service. That's it. This is the price. This is the process we are going to use in it. If you want to be part of this, leave your like, leave your comments, send to us your questions. Leave your questions below on this video. Can you write me by email? Can join us to the Signals group by Discord or another link with Telegram, the social trading club, and we are going to be part of this something great for this month. Start June 6th. Let's go to see how ending this month. I really hope to end this month with $10,000. That is my goal. That is my goal here. I want to end in this month with $10,000. Okay. So I hope this video like it. Please leave your comments. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, activate the notification bell, and see you in the next wave.